and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mapusa JMFC directs police to register case of cheating against Dilip Parulekar in illegal land grab case, land of 599 square meters at Chogam Road. Fourth labourer dies in shell-top in septic tank tragedy. Eyewitness says the deceased were room boys, not labourers, were forced to climb down by owner. Goa put up world-class facilities worth 270 crore rupees for Lusofonia Games. More stadia to be created for the national games, said Chief Minister. Daboli new terminus to be functional from 25th January. First flight from Macau arrives with 102 players for Lusofonia Games. Aero bridge operational. And Advocate Anaklet demands interrogating Kankon MLA in building collapse case. Presses for builders arrest. Order on municipal engineers' bail on 20th. And now the news in detail. Mapusa JMFC court has directed Porvorim police to register a case of cheating against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in illegal land grab case. Allegation against Dilip Parulekar is he illegally grabbed 599 square meters of land on the Chogam Road at Porvorim. The court has passed this order after hearing a petition filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez.
The JMFC court at Mapusa on Thursday directed the Porvorim police to register a FIR of cheating against State Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in connection with illegal land grab belonging to Serula Comunidad. Petitioner Advocate Iris Rodriguez had filed a petition before the court after Porvorim police refused to register the FIR against Parulekar.
The Mapusa JMFC was pleased to direct the Porvorim police to register an FIR under Section 420 of the IPC against Goa's Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in connection with the land grab case of the Serula Comunidad.
Dilip Parulekar claims that the land is in possession for more than 20 years and he has not grabbed it illegally. He also said that JMFC has directed police to register FIR as per Supreme Court's direction to register every complaint as FIR.
मापुसा JMFC में अपना काम किया हुआ है. मेरे को लगता है there was a one judgment from Honorable Supreme Court saying that every case whoever comes in a police station with a piece of paper has to register वो FIR उसके हिसाब से करना मांगता है.
Petitioner Advocate Iris Rodriguez in his petition has alleged that 599 square meters of Comunidad land on Chogam Road at Porvorim has been illegally grabbed by Dilip Parulekar on receipt of mere 3,41,000 rupees, though the market value of the land was more than 1 crore.
Learned Magistrate in her order has said that in the complaint filed by me, the ingredients of all these offences are made out, and that is the reason the FIR has to be registered and the Porvorim police have to investigate this case against the tourism minister. The learned magistrate has also directed that the FIR be also registered against the attorney of the Serula Comunidad, Mr. Peter Martins, and the then administrator of the Serula Comunidad, Irene Siqueira.
High Court is also hearing a petition filed by Iris seeking restoration of the deputed land to the Comunidad of Serula. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The labourers choked in the septic tank at Santa Cruz were actually the room boys at Shelltop Inn. A shocking revelation from victims' family members says supervisor had forcefully sent them to the septic tank. They feared the owner and went without any safety tools. Moreover, labourers were lying in the septic tank for almost 2 hours without any help. Owner of Shelltop has assured financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees to each victim's family.
सुपरवायझर असा न्हू तो सांगलो लेबरान सगळे काम ना जाल्यार रूम बाय काम ना जाल्यार टाकी साफ करा म्हणून टाकी वयलेलो तांकां साफ करू आनी सगळे तांच्यांनी 4 लोक सकल आसलेले टाकी साफ करू आनी एक बायल आसलेली ती वयर आसलेली वडताले ते तेंच्यानी कितें ते हांव ते पयले धांवून येयले थिंगासून ते मोटर कितें चालू करताले ते तो म्हणटा मोटर वडू ना म्हणून तेंच्यांनी काय बंद केले कितें केलें म्हाका खबर ना मागीर ते वयर येवन आनी एकदां सकल गेले पण सगळे एकामेका टच जावन थिंगाच जाले तांच्यांनी आनी वयर येवं ना आनी तांकां रूम ते काम न्हू करी ते कामां व्हरून लायले तांकां तो सुपरवायझर तांकां फोर्स केलो तुम्ही करिना जाल्यार बाबा सांगता हांव बाबा कडेन उलया म्हणून ते मागीर भिवून सगळे टाकी साफ करूंक गेले ते तांचे काम न्हू ते रूम बाय ते.
Adding to the misery, the management of Sheltop did not help the wife of deceased. She said all 4 laborers were stuck in the septic tank for almost 2 long hours.
2 वरानंतर बाहेर काढले त्यांका आम्ही बोबडी मारल्या कोणी ऐकूना 2 वरानंतर बाहेर काढले त्यांका तुमच्याने
तुम्ही सांगले त्यांच्या स्टाफाक
सांगले कोणी येऊ ना सगळे बोब मारले सगळ्यांक कोणी काढू ना त्यांका.
Congress is demanding compensation to the bereaved families in various forms.
Strict action घेवपाचे ह्या तरेचे गोष्टी परत घडू नये आणि मुख्य म्हणजे कितें कॉम्पन्सेशन निश्चित कितें आधार काय ना फॅमिलीक राष्ट्रीय मोर्चाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आम्ही 1 लाख रुपया त्या फॅमिलीक दिवपाचो ऑलरेडी त्यांना सांगलेलं आसा.
आम्हाला असं वाटतं की सरकारने त्यांना तत्काळ काहीतरी कॉम्पन्सेशन द्यावं.
तांकां कॉम्पन्सेशन दिवपाची पूर्ण जबाबदारी ही त्या मालकाची आसा. तो तेजे कडेन कितले वर्सां काम करतालो हें पयलीं सोदून काडपाक जाय. कितले वर्सांचें कितलें पेमेंट ताका म्हयन्याक मेळटालें तें सोदून काडपाक जाय. तेजे कितले पयशे उरलेले ते सोदून काडपाक जाय आनी तेच बरोबर जी ताजी फॅमिली आहा ते ताज्या फॅमिलीक आतां कितें तरी एक ठरावीक बरो कंपोनंट मेळचो हेज्या खातीर सरकारान ताका फोर्स करपाक जाय.
The owner of Sheltop Inn, Lenin Viegas, and supervisor Keshav Kunkalinkar have been already arrested by Old Goa Police. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Omkar Falari and Chetar Gavas for Prudent. Goa is ready for the Lusofonia Games with infrastructure projects worth 270 crore rupees providing world-class sports facilities. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also revealed that more facilities will be created for the National Games 2016, costing another 350 crore rupees. The government has upgraded Pere Sports Complex, Nehru and Tilak Stadia, while building new stadia at Bambuli and Goa University Complex. The Lusofonia Games will begin on Saturday with a grand opening ceremony at Fatehpur Stadium.
In the last 24 hours, Goa's preparedness for the Lusofonia Games entered the final phase as renovated Pede Sports Complex, new stadium for athletics at Bambole, and multipurpose indoor stadium at Goa University Complex were inaugurated. The Lusofonia Games have come as a boon to the state as its sports infrastructure has got a massive boost. Still to come, more stadia as National Games 2016 will have many more disciplines than the 9 sports disciplines to be held in the Lusofonia Games. After inaugurating the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium at the University Complex, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar gave details of the infrastructure.
There will be another 350 crores project completed in next 1.5 years, which will include a more stadium for National Game of 2016 National Games. The current structures have cost us around 270, including Mapusa. There are 2, one big hall like this only and the other one at Fatehpur, then GMC, Vasco, and 6 practice grounds across Salse.
This is a very good opportunity, and I think games like these will promote brotherhood, cooperation, friendship and amity, besides promoting trade and other activities between the different countries involved, and it will help in building of better relations between the countries. So it's a very welcome thing that we are having here.
Refurbished Fatehpur Stadium will host the opening ceremony on Saturday evening from 7 p.m. Lusofonia Games CEO Keshav Chandra informed that the free tickets for the Lusofonia Games will be available with Mamlatdar, Zilla Parishad and Panchayats from Friday. Meanwhile, the football team's preparations have been hit as they have been informed about a change in the make of the footballs just a few days before the games.
पहिले आमका बॉल बिफोर द 2 months तेणे सांगले नायकी बॉल म्हणून सडनली तेणे कालूच आमका बॉल दिल्या नेवया म्हणून आणि वी आर नाव ट्रायिंग टू हार्ड प्रॅक्टिस फॉर नेवया बॉल.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The new terminus at Dabuli Airport will be fully operational from 25th January. Speaking to Prudent Airport Director M. Suresh informed that first flight from Macau landed at the new terminus. The flight flew down with 102 players for the Lusofonia Games. The aero bridge at Dabuli was made operational from Thursday. Soft launch of the terminus was on 3rd December.
Today we plan to have the trial operations, so that how the systems are working. This is the only one flight at a time. Checking one flight will be easy, then bringing more flights. So today the operation was very successful. We are planning to start the entire operation by 25th of January. This is our plan.
How many passengers arrived today?
Today 102 passengers are arrived through the aero bridge.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.